Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2019 Ford Ranger stock number 7121. It's run from the 6th 2015 to the 4th 2022. It's a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. And door mirror, left front door, no dents. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel with tyre, right rear door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 16-inch steel wheel with tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front kitty tilt, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.